Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. Normally on Shop Talk we talk about German muscle saws, Swedish muscle saws, and then a lot of the other classic chainsaws. But today, in honor of our great flag and our great country, we're going to do an American classic. This saw right here is 4 years old. It's one of my customers from Georgia. His Dad bought it for him back 50 some years ago to cut firewood. It got the engine seized up on him and had some issues on running. See the scoring really bad. Muffler had a little issue. Fuel hose is rotten. A crack on the manifold, very hard to see, just a hairline crack, and of course that would explain why we had some issues with the engine seizing. And a cap leaking, I replaced the cap on it. Bar plates, and I happen to have a new oil hose, very hard item to find. I put that on there, I had some leakage. Choke lever, and got an OEM starter handle, and new rope put in there. And I'll fire it up and let you listen to it. Got a hard-nosed original bar. And I put a Sylvie razor grind, razor sharp chain on here with the indexed rakers. This is just a true American classic. And we'll go out and make a cut with it. Let you see how that razor chain does on this classic chainsaw. Raining a little bit out here. It's early morning Pacific Northwest. Beautiful day, love the rain. And that's that classic American chainsaw there. And we'll start it up and make a cut in that Doug fir. That's some very hard Doug fir. What do you think? 50-some-year-old chainsaw, American classic. It'll probably run another 50 years. That's for my friend in Georgia. I hope you appreciate that chainsaw and get some good use out of it.